Good afternoon. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a bouquet for my demonstration speech. In my audience, I have two people on the phone, my dad and Jackson, Mateo, my mom, and John. So the first thing you'll need is a vase with some water in it, and most flowers come with a food packet, so I'm just going to go ahead and put that in there. And then a proven fact is that if you cut your stems to a 45-degree angle, which I'm going to show you really quickly. I've done it on a few so that I don't have to sit here and cut every single stem, but just like an angle like this, and just cut it. There you go. And you'll want to start with your main flower, your attraction flower, which most people's eyes go straight to that, and it's like something we studied in my class as well, is there's 3 different types of flowers. Today I have the main attraction flower, which I have roses, and then for my filler I have baby's breath, and then I just have some greenery, which is the 3rd type. So you want to start with this one because you want to make sure you can have them all in there. And I like to take some of the leaves off just because the height of this vase, because you don't want to have, oh my gosh, you don't want to have all the leaves just like in the vase, like squished up against it. And so I only have these 2. And just cut them because this allows these flowers to absorb more water and it can make them last longer, especially if you change the water frequently. So I have all of these cut, so I'm just going to go ahead and stick these right here. And you can just adjust it. And another thing is you can also spin the vase to make sure that like everything looks even, and it helps you get an idea of everything and how it's going to look. So then I have this greenery, and this just kind of fills in some of the spots in the vase and the flowers. Like it gives more attraction, gives the main focus more to the roses. So your filler flower is going to want to be like filling its space. And so if you see, I have some empty space right here, and so I'm going to go ahead and just place that in there. I'm going to spin the vase again and just stick that in there. And I'm going to move some things around because you don't want to just have all your fillers in the middle. So I'm going to just move some things around. I don't know if you can see very well, but we have all the fillers in the middle right now, and so I'm just going to try and move some things around, and I'll show you in again just in a second. So I'm just going to take a rose, and I'm going to separate the baby's breath, and I'm just going to kind of stick it in the middle. And they're not very fragile. Some can be, like the baby's breath. This is already breaking off, so we're just going to go ahead and take it off because it's just going to die and not look good anyway. And so you can just rotate the vase over and over again and move things to your liking. Flower arrangements also make really great gifts for many different occasions, like significant others, for holidays, or trying to make up with somebody because you upset them, anything like that. So it's dated back into the Greek and Roman times, and they also use them as gift givings. I'll just take some more leaves off because it's not looking. They use them as gift giving and as well as just for the look of it. And there's many different types throughout different regions, but today I just have a very traditional little arrangement. So you can look up here, and this vase, the mouth of it is a little too wide, but if I were to have a smaller vase with a smaller mouth, it would look more full and it would look like this. But overall, flower arrangements can be really great gifts. They can just brighten somebody's mood and as well just make your day better. And it teaches you a lot about making balance and symmetry within things because you want to focus on different things and have the flowers focus on different things. Thank you so much.